thanks for joining me once again. Now I'm still going through the motions of packing up the very last bits and pieces of my loose figure and vehicle collection, getting ready for that move. So I thought I would do a quick video on how to disassemble the big AT-AT or AT-AT. So I'll try and make this real quick. First things first, as you can see, I've removed the legs. You have to do that. So you basically just grab a hold of a leg and a solid part of the body and pull on the leg. It takes a bit of force, but I think it's these clips up here that hold it in place. So with the right amount of force, you can just force the legs off. Then next, you have to remove the belly of the beast. So you can see all those screw holes. I've pretty much removed most of the screws already. All these screw holes there. On the other side, I think I've got one more to do. What's this one? Let's get the right size Phillips head screwdriver. There you go. And then this bottom panel should just pop off. Open that door and the door at the back. I think there's some wiring in there somewhere you got to be pretty careful with. I have to turn this right upside down. So I think I have to open this other door as well. Yeah, there's the wiring. Alright, so I'm guessing this is what is holding the headpiece in place, and I'm guessing that I'll have to pull back one of the darker grey tabs on each side to release that. So I'll attempt to do that now. Now this is a lot more fiddly than I thought it was going to be. So I get one side of the clip out, and then when I tried to get the other side out, the first side would close. So what I've done is I had to use a very thin flathead screwdriver to wedge that back side out, and then I've stuck a couple of toothpicks in there to hold it open, and hopefully once I do the front side, you just slide out. Alright, so there we have it. I ended up having to put two more toothpicks in the front, same position as I did in the back, and then I just push down on that and it's unlocked. So I thought I'd screw the bottom of the body back on before attempting to fully remove the headpiece, but this shouldn't be a problem now. Just slide off very easily, and there you go. One big AT-AT dismantled. So basically all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a little flathead screwdriver and a few toothpicks and a bit of patience. Don't force anything too much. Be really careful when you're taking the bottom of the body off. There's all that wiring underneath. You don't want to rip anything out, the electronics. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was an informative video, and may the force be with you.